Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I choose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. How to start a coaching business in 13 steps. A complete guide. How often has your guidance helped people achieve specific goals? Frequently, starting your own coaching business could be the perfect decision. The coaching industry provides endless opportunities to make money. According to the International Coaching Federation (ICF), there were 109,200 certified coaches in 2022, a whopping 54,000 increase from 2019. If you want to stand out among them and build a successful business from scratch, you must follow a winning strategy. In this guide, we'll explore how profitable coaching is, highlight different types of coaching, and lay out a step-by-step strategy on how to start a coaching business. Why start a coaching business? The coaching industry is growing at a fast pace, with millions of people, from students to business owners, seeking specialized guidance. It's valued at $6.25 billion in 2024, with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 15.43%. Certain categories like personal and business coaching have seen tremendous growth in recent years. So, if you're passionate about guiding others, you can make money as a coach. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. How profitable is a coaching business? The profitability of a coaching business depends on its location, niche, and target market. For example, a business coach in the US makes around $184,000 per year, while a parenting coach earns an average of $105,000 yearly. Before starting a coaching business, conduct thorough market research to know which niche is profitable in your location. How to start a coaching business in 13 steps. 1. Establish your target audience and niche. Choose your niche. Select a subject you enjoy and have expertise in. Research ideal clients and align your services with their needs. Define your target audience. Identify demographics like age, income, and preferences. Tailor services to specific groups, e.g., graduates needing career guidance or professionals seeking work-life balance. Focus on demand. Target individuals who value your expertise and are willing to invest in it. Clear focus on niche and audience builds credibility and attracts clients. 2. Create a business plan. A business plan is a living document that outlines your goals, niche, and ideal client profile. It should also include your marketing strategies and financial projections, as well as data from market research and competitive analysis. Creating a business plan helps you to set a definite course for your coaching business and also identifies any potential hiccups early on. 3. Set up your business structure or model. There are several business structure options to choose from when starting your coaching business. These include a limited liability company, LLC, corporation, partnership, and sole proprietorship. Benefits of an LLC: liability protection, tax benefits, credibility and professionalism, operational flexibility, growth potential. Now 5-step process to register your coaching business. Step 1. Choose your state. Most entrepreneurs choose their home state for simplicity and lower costs. However, if you plan to operate in multiple states or seek specific legal protections, consider a state with favorable formation fees and tax benefits. Step 2. Choose a name. Pick a unique name for your business that isn't already used in your chosen state. Ensure the name includes LLC and avoids restricted words. Verify availability through your state's business registry to prevent any legal issues. Step 3. File articles of organization. Submit the articles of organization to your state Secretary of State office. This document includes essential information about your LLC, including its name, address, purpose, and management structure. Many states offer online filing for convenience. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. Although only required in some states, drafting an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document outlines your LLC's ownership and operational procedures, helping prevent future member disputes. Step 5. Obtain an IN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the IRS. This unique number is necessary for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and keeping your personal and business finances separate. 04. Create a website and brand your business. A coaching business website serves as a single-point information center for all your clients. Use a website builder like Wix to create a coaching website. Remember to include the business name, details of the services you provide, messaging channels, and pricing plans. 05. Obtain financing or capital. Before starting your coaching business, you need to decide how to secure funds for all business operations. Financing options include applying for loans, reaching out to investors, and involving more partners. 06. Set up accounting and bookkeeping systems. Keep track of all business expenditures, revenue, and profits, as this helps you evaluate your profitability. While you can streamline financial tracking with reliable bookkeeping systems and accounting software, you can hire accountants to ease the load. 07. Outline pricing and service packages. While you want to set competitive prices, you also want to charge enough to cover the cost of running your business. The price of coaching services varies based on your niche, audience, experience, and the number of sessions you offer. You might need to build first your coaching framework in order to understand the full range of services you plan to offer. 08. Choose an appropriate location. You can conduct coaching programs both in person and online. For in-person coaching, choose a location that's easily accessible to you and your clients. Make sure the location has a peaceful and positive ambience that's suitable for coaching sessions. 09. Source equipment and costs. Sourcing high-quality equipment within your budget is a crucial part of starting a small business. For online sessions, you'll need cameras, microphones, computers, and editing software. 10. Get proper registration and licenses. Business registration laws and regulations vary based on location. Check with the local authorities to understand how to start a coaching business in your city. 11. Create a marketing strategy for your business. You'll need to create awareness about your coaching business before its official launch. Email marketing and paid advertising are some of the most effective strategies to consider. You can also invest in content marketing, using search engine optimization, SEO, to boost your organic reach. 12. Expand your network to acquire clients for sales. Word of mouth is a strong source of new clients in every industry. Many coaches gain new clients through recommendations from previous clients or other coaches in the industry, which requires a strong professional network. You can expand your network by connecting with other coaches on social media, attending networking events, and creating a referral program. 13. Invest in personal growth and business development. Even as a coach, you need to invest in personal growth to fully meet customers' needs. The best way to do this is by enrolling in professional courses and attending industry events, where you learn from successful coaches. Types of coaching businesses: life coaching, business coaching, sales coaching, relationship coaching, parenting coaching, health coaching, mindfulness coaching, legacy coaching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This screen record I'll show, for example, like any state, so that you can understand the whole process. That's why it will be shorter. So, I'm going to take you through the process step by step. Okay, so let's get started. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service, which no other company offers. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form and LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type, and in the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. BZ is not making any income on that. That is the state getting their filing fee. Like other states, West Virginia also has 3 different plans, which are Basic, Standard, and Premium, and the price of the 3 packages is different, which I'm going to explain why. Basic package is the cheapest option out of the three, and this is the package where Busy charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, you simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee that you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email. Next is the standard package, which costs $199, and this is the package I highly recommend everyone to grab because it basically covers everything you will need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the basic package plus other services like providing and filing EIN, which is a business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. So one way or another, you are going to need these services. The premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive one out of the three because it includes 3 extra services: free next day filing, business contract templates, and domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you to complete your LLC filing faster. So, if you are in a hurry and want to complete your LLC filing as soon as possible, then you can choose this package. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, Busy will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. Below, Busy is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here and click on Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. In the next section, Busy will ask you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. For the sake of creating this video, I will just provide random personal information, but remember, you should always use your own verified information when completing this form. In the next section, you will see Busy will ask you whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, a P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. In the next section, Busy will ask you to select the number of owners or members your LLC might have. I will just select one for the sake of creating this video. After that, Busy will show you as a member in this section. Then select your name as a member, and use Busy's virtual office address as your business address. You can click on the Next button. After that, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So, I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In the next section, Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. And this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. But if you are from the USA, then just select yourself as the person applying for EIN and provide your SSN. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, Busy will be asking you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by Busy, and click on Next. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained in the beginning. But for the sake of creating this video, I'll just select the Yes button and proceed to the next step. Next, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make this clear how to run and operate an LLC and how to file taxes and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is about, Busy will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits or not. The cost of these 2 licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business where Busy will do additional research on your behalf. After that, Busy will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks depending on your package type. So for just $601 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using Busy.